Don't throw away your overripe plantain. Make these delicious chicken snacks with it instead. These delicious chicken snacks is made with an overripe plantain. We start by peeling the plantain. And here we are using onions, white onions for this delicious recipe.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
And fry the plantain you cut. Remember, this is an overripe plantain you're supposed to throw away, but because we needed to use it for this chicken pie, so we didn't throw it away. Put your onions in a bowl. We are using 1 green hot pepper today for our recipe.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
So cut the hot pepper, the green hot pepper, into very tiny pieces. Add it to the bowl containing the onions.
Juliana recipe delicious
So checking on our plantain, the plantain is frying nice.
and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
So pour oil in the pan.
Juliana recipe delicious.
Put in the ingredients, the onions, the already cut onions, and the pepper, and we added our complete seasoning and the salt, and give it a thorough nice mix, and our Maggi cube, of course.
And healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana.
Then this is our grounded meat. So we have to add this grounded meat into this mixture, the onions and the pepper. Make sure to give it a nice and a proper mix so the whole spice, the whole ingredient can go around the meat. While you're frying it, make sure you're mixing it nice.
Juliana recipe, delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe, delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia.
So pour your already fried plantain in a bowl and begin to mash it with potato masher. Mash it thoroughly, then add your flour.
Juliana recipe, delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana! Juliana recipe, delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
Continue to mix it until you obtain a very thick consistency. Mix it nicely and thoroughly. Add 1 egg and continue to mix.
Juliana recipe, delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia.
I added more flour. Then I added my butter.
Juliana recipe, delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana!
So right now I'm beginning to knead the dough on my table.
Juliana recipe, delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe, delicious.
So cut your dough with any rounded plates of your choice. Take out the excessive parts and put in your already fried granulated meat and just cover it. Just follow the process.
And healthy. My daddy the lafia.
You need a fork to press it down so that when you're frying it, it's not gonna open up. Press it down properly.
Juliana recipe, delicious and
Then we put it in the flour.
healthy. Wait, Juliana! Juliana recipe, delicious and healthy.
Then put it in the oil to fry. Yeah, I'm supposed to brush with the egg, but I forget to do that for the first one. So you could brush it with the egg.
Now go there, Juliana!
Yeah, don't over fry yours. This first one looks over fried, so fry in a medium to low heat. So repeat the same process basically, guys. If you have watched up until this moment, I want you to comment love this recipe and let me know your opinion. Give this video a thumbs up. Our overripe plantain chicken pie is ready. Bye guys.